Hi, welcome to our look at the upcoming Monday, October 20th trading session. As per usual, I have the economic calendar in front of you for the day. Really not a whole lot to look at. We've got German PPI initially, but really not a market moving event in our estimation. Then after that, we really don't see announcements until we get into China late in the session. GDP year over year and quarter over quarter are anticipated to come out, as well as industrial production. Really what we look at is whether or not we can meet expectations, or better yet, beat them, because they become risk appetite on, risk appetite off, depending on how things play out. The better the numbers, the better most stock markets around the world will do as a result. Speaking of those stock markets, one that we are paying attention to is the S&P 500, as we tested the 1900 level during the session on Friday. A break above there has us buying calls and aiming for the 2000 level, and we do think ultimately that is going to happen. The DAX looks very healthy too, and if we can get above the 8900 level, we feel that the market could go higher, re-enter the previous consolidation zone, and we do think it's going to happen based upon longer term charts, and that'll be accelerated if those Chinese numbers are good, of course. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see that we fell during the session on Friday, and it does in fact look like the downtrend continues. If we break down a little bit, we are buyers of puts, because quite frankly, we believe that this market will end up breaking below the 1.25 level given enough time, and we really can't buy calls until we get above the 1.30 level. Looking at the gold markets, we continue to grind sideways, with the ever-present 1240 level causing a bit of consternation. So really what we're waiting to see is a clearance of the high at the 1250 level. We'd be buyers of calls at that point. Buying puts is going to be a little bit difficult down here. There's just so much in the way of noise and support. And with that, we've taken a look at the Monday, October 20th trading